What's good, yo? So, I'm the face behind JCDG. And I know I ain't really make enough videos to really be like, oh, that's JCDG. It don't really matter. But I wasn't going to be showing my face. But I figured, I just wanted my name on my face behind JCDG. I'm not doing nothing crazy anyways. I'm just really, showcasing cars and driving with them and doing POVs here and there as much as I can. But today is a random day, bruh. So I found somebody hosting a car meet in Jersey for German cars only. And me, I love German cars, from Mercedes to Porsche and BMW and Volkswagen. I just love them. I love them. And it's crazy that I found it today. So I'm really thinking about, well, not thinking, we are gonna go. That's the whole reason why I'm making this video right now. But I just had to, say it and get it out. And hopefully, I don't have to pay to get in, because some of them be charging like $20 just to, you feel me? Y'all not that big, goddammit. But there will be a lot of people there from what I see, there's a lot of people posting and commenting, and the likes is like in the thousands. So, yeah, I'll just see y'all when I get there. And hopefully, there's no problem. I don't want to drive all the way over there for nothing. I'm gonna be mad, it's a waste of gas. But anyways, let's get to it, man. Thank y'all for tuning in, and hopefully today's a fucking banger. Yeah, oh, he fucked it up a little bit. I don't know, but that's fire. That's fucking fire. Oh shit, motherfucking Beetle, bruh. Like, what the fuck? That shit fire, bruh. I don't know if that's a 5.0, but yeah. Like Steve, where's Steve? Oh boy. Damn, my bad. Yeah, my bad if the camera's shaking. It's fucking cold. I'm in a sweater. It's that M2. M3 comp? Wait, is it a comp? Oh no, it's not. I'm bugging. But, oh, he got an Alpha. Hold on. My bad, I got broke plates. Man, look at that shit, bro. Subi. Nice. Oh shit. Look at that shit. God damn. This is actually fucking hard. This is fucking tough. This is fucking tough. Another Volky. What is this? Oh, this is the Panther. This is what, an M2? M2, right? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, this is M2. I ain't bugging. Oh, let me not show the brakes.
It's not really open right now, so we're trying to get permits and everything.
Damn, white on black is fucking fire, bruh. God damn, I'm fucking cold. God damn, this shit is tough. God damn, bro, this nigga scare me, yo. rowdy, man. Bro, I gotta get these sound so good, bro. Like, oh my god. Yo, I'm shaking like a motherfucker, bro. This shit's sad. Well, I came back and yeah, these guys are here, so I guess it's done for right now, unless they got another spot, but I don't know. I don't know. I've been looking at the IG, but they haven't been posting, so I guess we're gonna see what the next spot is. Alright, this about wraps up the video. I don't think there's no other spots, honestly. The hours were from 5 to 9, and it's like 8:30 right now, so I doubt they're gonna post another spot. But thank y'all for tuning in, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. I know it's gonna be a couple of y'all that tune in. Maybe not thousands right now, but whoever did, thank you, man. I'm gonna have better content soon, like really, really better content soon. You know, I'm gonna get my car soon. Hopefully, you know, something decent so I could hook it up and probably do a tune, maybe. I don't know. I don't know about right now, but that's what I'm thinking. Just for the channel, you know. And also, I'll be posting again next week, because next week I'm going to a bigger car meet, or it's a car show or car venture, whatever. It's something like that. But it's just basically gonna be like crowded and overpopulated. And yeah, like I was saying, man, this about wraps up the video. It's JCDG once again. I really hope y'all liked it, and if you did, thumbs up, comment and subscribe, please. And I will be seeing y'all very, very soon. Thank you once again.